Hello my lovies, my Jazzy Babes, welcome back to a new vlog. And so pretty excited to share with you what I did before my birthday. So last July 8th, we watched the premiere night of Superman. And it's a must-see movie, trust me.
Ang masabi ko lang without spoiling James Gunn knocked it out of the park. Yan lang ako. Si John.
Si John Arcilla pa. So, our idol, Mr. John Arcilla. Thank you. And last July 9, Planes and Prince invited me and my friends for the launching of their denim collection. And we had so much fun. I'm gonna attend the premiere night of Superman, sponsored by Warner Brothers. There. Nasa na kaya sila? There. Ayan na si Superman. Thank you! That's our ticket. Thank you for the invitation. Yeah.
Video na ako.
Sit here.
What part ko?
Wing. Alright. Thanks. And may popcorn. Jordan, are you excited to see the movie? Yeah, so I'm with these two beautiful mom and daughter, Jenny King and Jordan, and the one who invited us, Sis Chai. And thank you, Anna. See you later.
Anna, hopefully
yeah.
Official movie station Monster RX 73.1.
My name is Matt.
And I'm Alex.
And we're the newest Monster jocks on Manila's hottest Monster RX 93.1. And you are here for a big moment because tonight you're watching the world's most iconic hero take flight on the big screen in a brand new way. Come on, you guys. How many of you guys love this movie? Love Superman? I could see so many Superman fans because just outside I could see half of the people wearing Superman shirts.
And you're one of them, Matt. Ladies and gentlemen, this isn't just another superhero movie. This is the start of a whole new DC universe. Brought to life actually by James Gunn, the mind behind Guardians of the Galaxy and the Suicide Squad.
That's right, and just like in some of the best Superman comics, he's trying to balance his Kryptonian heritage with his life as Clark Kent, filled with emotion, action, and heart. It's a true rebirth for the one we know as Superman.
So he's trying to balance his Kryptonian, whatever we call it, heritage, right? Well, ladies and gentlemen, you're not just watching it here, you're watching it here first at Ayala Malls, Manila Bay on the A-Giant screen. So that's what we're calling it, the A-Giant Cinema. And this isn't just a movie, this is a new cinema experience.
That's right, come on, make some noise! Let us hear how excited you are to see Superman! Let us know how excited that you're the first to watch this Superman movie. Come on!
I want to congratulate everyone who won Monster Movie premiere tickets. Can I see a show of hands if you won your tickets for the Monster Movie? Is this, what's this in the blue jacket? She was waving her hand. She stopped waving her hand. In the middle. Anyways, show of hands again. Who wants tickets for Monster? Wow, lucky winners, you guys. Hopefully this isn't the last time you join the Monster movie premiere movie giveaway.
Right, some of you won by joining contests on air, but I know some of you also won through online. Who here won through the online? All right, over there we go. Come on, we got lots of winners, both from on air and online. Congratulations to all of you guys. Now, before we start, we have a few reminders. As we mentioned a while ago, we have some black plastic bags that we need you all to put your phones in so that we can prevent any kind of spoilers, anything from getting out from inside the cinema. Make sure that once the movie starts, your phones are in here, all right?
Gentle reminder also, guys, no camcording, please, and of course, no spoilers. Because we're not yet. Because we have surprises to give away. Who wants surprises? Who wants it? All right, we have a representative here. Thank you, madam. Okay, so we're giving away a total of 8 prizes. We have 5 goodie bags and 3. You want to tell them what the 3 are?
The 3 are signed posters. So the posters are signed by David Cornsweat, by Rachel Brosnahan, by James Gunn, and by Peter Safran. All right, you got 4 big names on these 3.
Ay, baka akin yun.
Ay, sa ikaw
Are you
yun.
here?
Meron ka. Wait.
Super goodie bag.
Wait.
If you had,
Ikaw yun, Chai.
come on down. We'll take a photo with you. We'll give you your prize. Congratulations.
Nahulog.
This is ticket number 149. Number 149, please check your ticket stubs. See if you are ticket number 149. Awesome. All right, we have 3 winners of the Superman goodie bag so far. Next up.
Our next winner is ticket holder 281. 281, congratulations, come on down. Please check your ticket numbers thrice if you can. 281 is our next winner. Come on down and grab your goodie bag. And our last winner, Matt, for the goodie bags is
303. Ticket number 303. Is there there we go. Come on down here. All of the winners of
Oo, lagi siyang nananalo.
over there, please, and let's get a picture together. Come on.
Sign pa yun. O, diba? At least, sa kanya napunta.
All right, let's take a picture first.
Can we give them a big round of applause, you guys, for being lucky tonight? You all are Superman goodie bag.
Congrats!
Kayo ba talaga?
Congrats!
Yes!
Diba? My God!
Congratulations!
Later.
Going home with side posters.
Later.
Last winner of that is...
Last one is ticket number.
And they won naman signed posters.
Pwede exchange, Char.
Yeah, sila yan. Yeah. Lucky.
Congratulations, guys. You can head back to your seats.
Thank you.
Again, reminder about the embargo, July 9, 3 a.m. That's when you can...
The full schedules of our boarding there. All right. So now, as we're about to get started once again, please put your phones inside the black plastic bags. In the black plastic bags. All right.
Oo, naka-off.
Thank you.
That's Superman in our country. Go na. And we had fun watching the Superman. My God. God. Jordy, did you like it? Nice, no? So what can you say about the movie?
I love it.
So it's a must-see movie?
Yes, a must-see. 100%. And after the movie, don't go out yet because there's last 2 scenes. Oh, so that's
I see. Do you like it?
Yes.
This kind of Superman.
This is a different kind of Superman movie, right? From some of the other DC films we watched before. There's that James Gunn twist in it.
I totally agree. I totally agree.
And I love crypto.
Yes, yes. So, my lovely Sir Joshua, this is Jolo. Actually, seatmate namin siya kanina. So, what can you say about the Superman movie?
I'm literally speechless right now. Ang masabi ko lang without spoiling James Gunn knocked it out of the park. Yan lang ang masasabi ko. David, you're the dude. You're the dude, David. Si Rachel, the rest of the cast, bravo talaga. But this guy stole the show talaga for me. Basta James Gunn, he directed his butt off of this movie. Yan lang ang masasabi ko. Like, wow, I'm a fan of Superman ever since I was a kid, and the 7-year-old me would be very happy right now. Yan lang po masasabi ko. Si John Arcilla.
Si John Arcilla pala. So, our idol, Mr. John Arcilla. What can you say about the movie, Mr. John?
Well, excellent. I love it. I love the fusion of the classic and the Gen Z and Alpha sensibilities. I think it's a combination of a little of everything, but it's entertaining.
Okay, thank you so much, and nice to see you in person in my YouTube channel.
YouTube channel.
Thank you, Jolo. Thank you. Nawala tayo eh. Kinuha ni Mr. John kasi ito. Okay. Yeah. Uy, nasan na siya?
Stop.
You have a couple of competitors. What do you think?
Things are like Superman at reality now. So more.
Yeah, heavy pala. Thank you, Superman.
Next year,
Okay. So, unboxing time? Unboxing time?
Unboxing time. Game.
Okay.
Unboxing time. Siyempre, hindi kasama tong popcorn natin kasi nakakuha lang natin to kanina. So, okay lang kahit may mga background.
Okay lang yan.
So, what did I get? Water, no? Sumasali. Oh my God, this Superman cap. It's so cute.
Sana pala sinuot mo kanina, no?
Ayun, susuot natin. Para
For picture.
For picture.
Yeah. Ang nice.
Superman.
Saka from Warner Brothers.
DC Studios.
Yeah. So talaga, ano yan.
Okay, wear it with this.
Wear it na. Yeah. Ay, kasha sa'yo.
Then, Superman. Yeah!
Nice. Okay, next.
Woman pala.
Supergirl.
Oh, we have a t-shirt. Open mo the t-shirt.
Yes. Open mo. Another one. Wow.
Yes, I like it.
Oo. Ay, meron pa palang poster yan.
Yes.
Ay, comics.
Okay, so nice.
Nice yan.
With the DC Universe.
Oh, very nice.
I love it.
Oh, nice.
I'm gonna read it. As a comic stan as well, we will uncover what's in there. And then, let's take a look at this.
Wow, so big.
Carry
Carry yan. Carry mo yan.
with only in cinemas, July 9. That's tomorrow.
Today is July 8.
Yay.
This is a Superman sa likod. Oo, kasi Superman, oh, kulit.
I like the red.
Ay,
I like
actually.
the blue. Actually, maganda pa rin.
Ah, it's a cape! Oh my God! It's a cape! Oh, cute!
Sa likod, yeah.
Oh my God, you have to wear it tomorrow. On our, Plains and Prince event. With the jeans itself and then Supergirl.
Thank you, Warner Brothers Philippines. That's it?
That's it. And it's a must-see movie, my loves, my Joseph, so you better watch it. We enjoyed it a lot because this is not a typical DC movie. And so surreal that I was able to interview Mr. John Arcilla. Oh my goodness. So Superman movie is now showing in cinemas nationwide. So you better watch it. And now we're heading to Plains and Prince. Yeah. For the denim collection launching. And we're late. Registration. Yeah. Yes. Ay, nahulog. What's that? Ay, nahulog. Thank you.
Kanina lang ako nag-register.
Yeah. Saan ka pupunta? Today is the preview of D&M Studios by Roxine, a capsule that brings expressive prints to effortless wearable silhouettes designed to stand out yet made for every day. The collection captures the boldness of art in timeless, versatile pieces. Roxine Maniquis is a graphic designer and illustrator from the Philippines, and she's known for her vivid, painterly depictions of flora and fauna, many of which are endemic to the country. Long time no see! Wow! Thank you! And we will make our own bag. So this is a DIY tote bag or backpack. Yes.
dito, dear. Yan.
Person dalawa. Ang kulit eh. Ang cute ng fur. And the D&M Studios by Roxin capsule collection is now available in all Plains and Prints stores nationwide. And I have some of my favorites and you will know later. And the Piccola is a cafe owned by Plains and Prints. And if you will be able to purchase worth $6.5, you will get this tote bag that can be a vest also. Yes, and I love this top. My goodness. And I love these cords. This one, the white and the jeans. And Piccola treated us for coffee, soft ice cream, and their pastries. Yes, and I love their Spanish latte. Maybe just a little sugar. Yes.
Ganda niyan. Tapos naka-jacket ka.
Just a trivia, my love is my Jassy Pevs. I've been a client of Plains and Prints since 1995 because I used to shop in their Shopsville boutique before because my go-to shopping mall was Green Hills that time, and I also love to shop in Sari Sari store, Folded and Hang, and Details. So those were the contemporary brands before. And good thing Plains and Prints is able to maintain the quality of their clothing. That's why I love Plains and Prints until now.